additional boost to your health. Today I am not just going to squeeze any fruit or vegetable. In fact, I am going to make a juice that will make your love life even more juicier. Most people don't think much of watermelon. Forget about the rind. Most people discard the rind once they eat the melon sweet fruit. Today we are going to squeeze out this rind and bring out the potassium, zinc, arginine and many other potent stuff from this rind that will make it even better than Viagra and other stuff that may have side effects. This is all natural and works wonder for men. We are going to cut this rind into small pieces. Once you cut this rind into small pieces, just put in a food processor or a juicer like this and squeeze out the juice from it. So ladies and gentlemen, think what you want to drink tonight, either the red of watermelon juice or a mango juice or other vegetable juice, or simply choose rind of watermelon and see the effect. Ladies, you can surprise your husband by making this juice. If he doesn't like the taste, you can add a little bit of honey to it and see, he is going to be so happy tonight. So dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed to learn how to make this wonderful love potion. I know this works wonder with men. In the next session, we are going to learn what to make for women. But remember dear friends, Varava is all about inspiring others to cook. So do not forget to post your cooking recipes and tips at varava.com. Thank you. Hey sweetheart, can you take off for the afternoon and come home soon? I am making nice biryani and malai kofta for you. Okay? Wow, thanks. Tick, 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 tick.